Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that makes your purchasing decisions a whole lot easier and a lot more fun. Today, we have a David versus Goliath showdown between two laptops, the sleek and shiny Apple MacBook Air M 213.6-inch and the budget-friendly HP Stream 14-inch. Buckle up because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The MacBook Air M2 will set you back a cool $999. That's right, folks, just shy of $1,000. Meanwhile, the HP Stream is a wallet-friendly $399. Reviewers on Amazon highlight that the MacBook Air is worth every penny for its high performance and sleek design, while the HP Stream is praised for being a reliable budget option, perfect for students and casual users. Next, let's chat about design and portability. The MacBook Air is so thin and light at 2.7 pounds, it could probably double as a serving tray at a fancy dinner party. It's like the supermodel of laptops, strikingly thin and jaw-droppingly gorgeous. Meanwhile, the HP Stream comes in at 3.24 pounds. It's like that reliable friend who shows up to help you move, but also eats all your snacks. Not as glamorous, but definitely dependable. Amazon reviewers love the MacBook Air for its lightweight and sleek design, making it super portable. On the other hand, the HP Stream is appreciated for its practical design, perfect for everyday use. Now, on to performance. The MacBook Air is supercharged by the M2 chip, featuring an 8-core CPU and up to a 10-core GPU. This thing could probably run NASA if it wanted to. Meanwhile, the HP Stream is powered by the Intel Celeron N4120. It's like comparing a Ferrari to a go-kart. But hey, go-karts are fun too, right? Plus, the HP Stream comes with a whopping 16 gigabytes of RAM and 288 gigabytes of storage. Reviewers rave about the MacBook Air's impressive speed and efficiency, while the HP Stream is noted for being surprisingly spacious and adequate for basic tasks. Let's talk displays. The MacBook Air sports a 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display with over 500 nits of brightness. It's like looking at a sunset on a tropical beach, but without the sunburn. On the flip side, the HP Stream offers a 14-inch HD display. It's not going to win any beauty contests, but it gets the job done, kind of like your high school yearbook photo. According to Amazon reviews, the MacBook Air's screen is highly praised for its vibrant colors and sharpness, while the HP Stream's display is considered decent for its price. Battery life is crucial, especially if you're always on the go. The MacBook Air boasts up to 18 hours of battery life. That's almost enough to binge watch an entire season of your favorite show without needing a recharge. The HP Stream, however, might need a little more love in the charging department. But hey, who needs to watch TV for 18 hours straight? Go outside, get some fresh air. Reviewers love the MacBook Air's long-lasting battery, while the HP Stream's battery life is considered adequate for daily tasks. For camera and audio, the MacBook Air features a 1080p FaceTime HD camera and a 4-speaker sound system with spatial audio. You'll look and sound like $1 million in your Zoom meetings. The HP Stream has a 720p HD camera and decent audio, perfect for those times you want to look just okay in your virtual meetings. Reviewers commend the MacBook Air for its superior camera and audio quality, while the HP Stream is seen as satisfactory for basic use. Lastly, connectivity. The MacBook Air comes with a MagSafe charging port, 2 Thunderbolt ports, and a headphone jack. It's like a Swiss Army knife of ports. The HP Stream is no slouch either, boasting a USB-C 3.0, two USB-A 3.0 ports, an HDMI 1.4, a media card reader, and more. It's like they threw in everything but the kitchen sink. Reviewers appreciate the versatile connectivity options of both laptops, though the MacBook Air's ports are considered more advanced. Overall, Amazon reviewers are highly impressed with the MacBook Air M2 for its speed, design, and battery life. It's seen as a top-tier laptop for those who can afford it. The HP Stream, on the other hand, is praised for its affordability and practicality, making it a great choice for students and casual users. So what's the verdict? If you've got the cash and crave performance, the MacBook Air M2 is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and still want a reliable machine, the HP Stream is a solid choice. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy shopping and stay smart.